Today I'm going to show you how to make 7-minute icing.
To make this, you're going to need a hand mixer and a double boiler. You'll put the water on the bottom of the double boiler and all of your ingredients on the top. I'm going to go ahead and put water on the bottom and start bringing it to a boil for when my ingredients are ready.
Next up, you'll need to gather together all of your ingredients. You will need 2 egg whites, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cream and tartar, 1/3 cup water, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Next, we will need to combine the egg whites, sugar, cream of tartar, and water, and we will combine these for 1 minute. Now that we've mixed our mixture together for 1 minute and our water has come to a boil, we can go ahead and set the mixture on top and begin stirring for 7 minutes. After about 7 minutes, you'll know your icing is done when it is able to hold a peak. At that point, you will want to go ahead and add your vanilla and stir for 1 more minute.
And this is our final product, a fluffy white 7-minute icing ready to be put on a cake.